There's some other piece of news and an update coming in from the Supreme Court on the IHFL case. Now, the Apex Court has questioned the friendly approach of CBI and MCA in probing allegations against Indables Housing Finance, or Samman Capital, as it's now known. My colleague Ankur Mishra is here with more details on the same.
Yes, Supreme Court has indeed questioned the approach of investigative agencies such as CBI and terming it as a friendly approach towards probing the matter related to IHFL, which is now known as Samman Capital. The allegations were that the money was routed and rerouted through shell companies. There was a fraud which was committed by erstwhile promoters. Now, Supreme Court has urged today CBI to file an FIR, noting that it would strengthen the ED's position, and has directed CBI to submit its response why actions were taken which were not at par what court would think so. But the company has come out with a response. In fact, these arguments were given in the case during the hearing, and they mentioned that it is a professionally run company. There are shareholders like LIC, BlackRock, among others, and there are 4.5 lakh public shareholders, and former promoter Sameer Gehlot has fully exited the company in 2022 and 23, and no case has sustained till now. And therefore, now what will happen? ED has assured Supreme Court that the joint meeting of investigative agencies such as ED, CBI, as well as the market regulators SEBI and SFIO will be held in 2 weeks, and they have filed the complaints with the EOW of both Mumbai as well as Delhi. These were the submissions which were given by ED in the Supreme Court. But all in all, this matter will now be heard on 17th of December, and then we'll get to know what is the stance of the court.
Okay, and on the back of that, 15% lower on a Samman Capital. Kunal, do you have a view on charts with regard to this one? 13%, is this an opportunity again, if at all you see one?
See, I think after this kind of a news flow, we generally see, at least for the next couple of days, traders being a little bit more cautious because of, the kind of price action, the volumes which have shaped today for the stock on the back of this news. So maybe I think we'll wait out for another couple of days in case if there is no major follow-through price action on the downside. So today the stock, for example, is at 160 levels. Assuming if the stock settles, say closer to this 155 range, 150 mark on the downside, then we can attribute that maybe a near-term bottom could be at place. But as of now, maybe a wait and watch.
Okay. Kunal,